Welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Dr. Diwan, and the topic of the lecture is obstructive pulmonary diseases. In this lecture, I'm going to tell you about what are the differences between obstructive and restrictive pulmonary diseases, how do we differentiate them on the basis of their pulmonary function testing. Then we're going to talk about emphysema, what's the pathophysiology of emphysema, what is going to happen, how do we control it, and how do we modify the actions of the system. Then we're going to talk about asthma. It's a worldwide problem. We're going to talk what are the precipitating factors of asthma, how does it happen, is it family related or not, and we're going to talk about the pathogenesis of the whole system. Then we're going to talk about chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, how it's correlated with all of the other diseases, and what is the pathogenesis of this disease. Then we're going to talk about some overlap between the chronic lung diseases, that how might they be interrelated or not. So that's it for the lecture. To watch the whole video, please subscribe to sqadia.com. Thank you.